Understanding deep respect, a guide to sincere admiration. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a phrase that carries weight and sincerity, deep respect. It's a term that goes beyond a simple, thank you, or, well done. By unpacking its meaning and use, we'll learn how to express our profound admiration for someone's actions, character, or achievements. Let's explore this meaningful expression together. Deep respect is a powerful phrase that conveys intense admiration or high regard for someone or something. It's the kind of respect that is earned through consistent actions, integrity, or remarkable accomplishments. It's not given lightly, and it's about more than just politeness. It's about esteem that comes from the heart. This section will show various scenarios where saying deep respect is appropriate, like acknowledging a mentor, appreciating cultural practices, or recognizing someone's life achievements. We'll also discuss the nuances of using this phrase in different contexts and cultures. Let's see deep respect in action. This part will provide practical examples of how to use the phrase in sentences, making it easier for you to incorporate it into your own speech or writing. We'll look at formal and informal settings, ensuring you're ready for any situation. Sometimes, actions speak louder than words. In this section, we'll explore non-verbal ways to show deep respect, such as gestures, customs, and even gifts that can convey the same level of admiration without saying a word. We hope this exploration of deep respect enriches your communication and helps you express sincere admiration in English. Remember, it's a phrase that's felt just as much as it is said. Until our next linguistic journey, keep respecting deeply and speaking beautifully.